Hey, bless. Guess what? New clutch! Yay! So I replaced the clutch yesterday. I've come back at a friend's place. He's let us borrow his hoist. Made the job so much easier. So I put a new clutch in. It's got new clutch cylinders. Yeah, I'm just bleeding it, finishing the job. But come across some new rims, and I'm gonna put new shocks in as well while I'm here, because I'm here.
Let's see what's under this car without having to crawl underneath it.
Oh, this is the gearbox I replaced today. Oh, it's the old gearbox. I just put a new clutch in, took it out, put it back, greased, oiled everything. Tail shaft as well came out. So what we're going to be doing is putting the fuel tank here.
Oh, water tank,
Sorry.
which is
We've
wastewater.
also got a space here. We're deciding. We've got a space here. We've already got a water tank that goes in here, and a water tank to go in here.
That's a whole lot of water.
Yeah, how many liters of water, Zara?
120 litres of fresh water and 45 litres of wastewater. And how do I know this? Lots of research and looking at water tanks.
And could you please pass me that yellow screwdriver? Hey everyone, it's almost like if the rain gutters are here, there's so much flow going on
Yeah.
that it eventually, the water will always win.
Yeah.
Agua mole, pedra dura, tanto baixo a terra fura. Agua mole, pedra dura, tanta baixa a terra fura. The water will eventually win. Hey, blessings. How's the vibes? It's Ara. It's Asa. It's yoga van life. So it stopped raining. I've been having some crazy weaponized weather patterns lately. We've actually got sun. It's been a few days. There's been lots going on with this van lately. So I think the last time I put a new clutch in it, that clutch was the wrong clutch. I realized the car had a single mass flywheel setup. That was a dual mass flywheel. I had to order a whole nother kit and take out the other one. The gearbox I put in and out 3 times. Yeah, luckily I had a hoist and a gearbox jack, so wow, so blessed I had that. So I could do it, I got good at it. I could do it in like 40 minutes, take the gearbox out, get the clutch and get the flywheel off. Yeah, so here we are, the car's moving again. I don't know, was there an episode where I did the tires? So that episode needs to get redone, but not in that way, because I found some other rims. I found some 16-inch rims. I had 15 before, and these are a little bit bigger. So I mean they're one inch from 15 to 16, but the offset's better. The offset sits out a little more. Before it was the plus 75 offset.
Do you want to show us?
Yeah, a bit more rubber, bit more offset, bit more height. Drives nice. Yeah, pick the line, pick the line. Sky roof, we're gonna go. Yeah, sky windows.